Welcome to another child-proofing safety tip from Dreambaby. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic product to help prevent your child from turning oven or stove knobs, which could lead to potentially harmful accidents such as burns or even gas leaks. Easy to install, the covers fit securely around your stove's oven knobs so that children cannot turn them on or off. To open, press in the opening tab to release the cover and access the knob. To close, simply shut the cover, listening to it click into place. The click lets you know the knob is secure. Another way Dreambaby helps keep your children safe and your mind at ease.